Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika. Today I'm here to do a very quick review on the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes Multi-Faced Highlighter. And I also have the new Urban Decay Stone Vibes Multi-Dimensional Lip Gloss. And I have these lip glosses in 4 different shades. So I'm gonna use the highlighter first because I did my makeup, but I do need a bit of highlighter. And this is what the packaging is looking like. It is like a can. There's a mirror in here. And this is the product. It is really beautiful, but it's super soft. I tried swatching it and a piece broke off. So if you do purchase this, be very careful with it as it is very, very delicate. See this? Oh my goodness. So pretty. Let me go back in more because I do love glowing. Ready? Let me just zoom you guys in so you can really see this glow, how beautiful this is. It is like golden with pinkish sparkle in here. This is just really, really pretty. I'm gonna also go on my brow bone with some of this highlighter. And I'm also going to swatch it so you can see how it swatches. Really, really pretty. I paid $38 for this highlighter from Ulta. These lip glosses are super tiny. I was a bit disappointed when I opened them with how tiny they were. I mean, I paid $18 for them. I feel more like if it's a travel size opposed to a full-size product. So that's my first thought when I opened it. And this is super comfortable. It's like super minty, which I love my lip glosses to be minty. It's not too sticky. It's just slightly, as you see. I love the minty flavor and feel to the lip. And this is how it's looking. Next, I'm gonna get into Mercury Rx, and this is a pretty purple shade. It's a really, really beautiful color. These are really tiny. I'm super disappointed with how tiny these are. It doesn't have much of a color payoff, however it does show a lot of beauty. It does show the beautiful sparkle in the lip gloss, which is beautiful. It has the same minty feel as the other shade did. super comfortable. I don't feel the glitter in it at all, which is also very comfortable. I'm gonna get into the shade Vibes. Really pretty. Super beautiful. I love the packaging. If only it was bigger. I can't say that enough. It's really beautiful. Super pretty. I really love this shade. I think the shade Vibes by far has to be one of my favorite. I really love how it applies. Super pretty. We're gonna get into the shade Power High. Just really pretty. This shade Power High has to be my favorite. Definitely my favorite. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm gonna keep this one on for the day. And as you see, when I applied it, all of the colors applied beautiful. The highlighter applied beautiful on my cheekbone area and on my nose and on my brow bone. And these are definitely beautiful lip glosses. However, in my opinion, I just feel that they are more of a travel size than a full size product. And I feel like it would have been better to be placed possibly in a set as a Christmas collection or something of that sort. Look how tiny it is. I did pay $18 each for these. So as far as the price and the size, I'm not too happy about that. I will, however, be keeping this one shade and I'll be returning the rest. As far as the highlighter, it applied so beautiful. Like you saw, I am, however, gonna also be returning the highlighter, as I do have several highlighters. If you're used to my channel, I know you see me always reviewing a number of different products, and I feel this is something I can definitely live without, and I can live without the other shades. This one is super pretty, different than any others that I have, so I will also be keeping this shade Power High, and like I said, the others will be returned. They're beautiful products, but definitely not worth the money. The same way I feel about the highlighter. I believe I paid $36 or $38 for it. I don't feel it's worth the price at all. Nothing I would say bad about it. I feel like it's not worth the value or the price. But I really hope my video was helpful to someone. I hope my swatches were clear. If you purchase this new Urban Decay collection, please let me know at the bottom how you felt about the lip glosses. Was it a surprise with how small it was when you opened the box? How you feel about the highlighter? Be sure to let me know in the comment section how you felt about them if you purchase it. And I hope this video was helpful to someone. If there's anything that I did not mention about these new products, be sure to leave me your question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer your question. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.